Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your data is tidy and contiguous, then select the exact cells for the graph. Make sure headers are in the top row so Excel treats them as labels. Once done, convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T if you want dynamic updates. You do this now because charts reference headers and ranges. Without that, Excel may misassign axes. So select the data including headers, and keep numeric columns formatted as numbers, not text, before inserting any chart. You insert the chart from Insert Charts and pick a type that matches your message. Choose a line for trends, column for comparisons. Once inserted, use Chart Design to change the data source or switch row/column. This fixes swapped axes. Then customize axes, add data labels, and apply a clean style so the viewer reads values quickly. Make sure to edit series names to use your headers and adjust axis scales. This avoids misleading visuals and keeps the story accurate. You finish by polishing layout. Resize, add a concise title, axis labels, and a legend only if it helps. Then check grid lines and color contrast so the chart is accessible. If values look wrong, open Select Data to verify series ranges and header mapping. Hidden rows or text-formatted numbers often cause errors. Make sure axis scale matches your data range. If points are tiny, adjust minimum or use logarithmic scale. If problems persist, convert formulas to values and reselect the range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.